Map fans, welcome back. Today we're looking at Graphical Modeler in QGIS3, Part 2, Slight Return. The slight return is because in the last video I made a small error and I would like to rectify it. So here I have a blank project and I'm going to go back to my package.geopackage, and if you recall we saved package the lot as the project file. Double click that and our package will open up. Fantastic. Now the eagle-eyed amongst you may have noticed that if I hang over the functional site, this layer is not referring to the layer in my geo package. It is in fact referring to the original layer. That's because I did not clear these out and save as a new project. So to sort that out, it is fairly easy. I'm just going to grab this and hold down shift and grab this and remove all of those layers. Okay, 29 layers gone. I will then go back up to my geo package, select all of these. I'm going to unselect the project. I'm not sure what would happen if I tried to put that in the layers panel. Who knows? And I'll drop these in. Now there is a minor problem with this, and that is that the layers will be out of order. So if I start zooming in, you can see that the order of our layers does not quite look like an OS map, but that is also easily fixable. If you head on over to the Ordnance Survey GitHub repos, then you can scroll down and find the vector map district, and if I click on that, in here we should find the styling. There we go, style sheets, and I'm going to look at Esri shapefiles, style sheets, QGIS, QMLs, and we're looking at the backdrop style. And in here you will see a README which tells you how you should order the layers. Now you might remember that on my GitHub repo I've got that Python code in order to style the layers and reorder them. It's a little bit hokey, it was just done off the cuff, and so that won't actually work here. It messes the layers up quite a bit. But if you want to contribute to that repo, by all means do. The link is here. So now I'm just going to reorder these layers. I'll put my windows side by side and we'll get cracking. It is quite labour intensive, so again, if you want to contribute to that GitHub repo and tidy up my awful Python coding, that would be much appreciated. Now I'm just going to restyle the buffer a little bit, and there we are, back to square one. Excellent. And one thing that I did want to do, I'm just going to save this quickly. Earlier on, I was wondering what happens if you bring the project file in, so I'm just going to clear out all of the GeoPackage layers, remove all of them, okay, and then start with a blank map and drag that package the lot in there. I'll discard the changes, reload this project, and there it is. Rather than bringing in the individual layers, you can just drop it. The project file. Well done, Q. So I'm glad we cleared that up, and don't forget I've got a Zoom course coming up very soon. Check out the website for details on that. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. If we get loads of likes on this, I'll definitely do more graphical modeler tutorials because they're fun. And happy mapping.